Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 favorite lipsticks under ₹100. So I've done a similar sort of series before wherein I share with you guys my top 5 perfumes under 200 rupees, I believe. I will make sure to link that video as well in the description box below. But you guys seem to really enjoy these sort of budget videos, so I thought I should kind of extend the series. So today we're going to be doing lipsticks, so I think let's just get started with today's video. So let's be real, 3 out of 5 lip shades are nude, mauvey sort of shades, because that's what I wear almost every single day. But I have a few different sort of colors, something other than nude. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Blue Heaven and it's called the Elegance Matte Lip Color. It doesn't really have a shade name. The number that it has is 07. Now this is such a beautiful lip shade. It's a maroony red sort of a color. It looks really nice on my Indian skin tone. So again, if you're around my skin tone, I think it's going to be a really pretty bold sort of a lip shade. Now this is definitely not a shade that I reach out for an everyday basis, but it's always nice to have for special occasions. Talking about the actual lipstick, it's a matte lipstick. It dries in a couple of minutes. Talking about the durability, it's not super durable. You're not gonna wear it in the morning and still have it on by the end of the day, but it does stay on me for, I would say, 4 to 5 hours. It really depends on what I'm eating. But for the price, this is for $100. On Nykaa, I believe it's for 105 rupees. But if you go to a local a cosmetic shop, it's gonna retail anywhere between 95 to 100 rupees. And I think for $100, it's not bad at all. And the color is beautiful and it's a really nice matte formula. Lipstick number 2 is L18's Colourpop Matte range, and this is the shade. It's called Nude Fix. Now I love the L18 lipsticks because I used to use these back in college, so the smell kind of reminds me, it makes me nostalgic. But anyway, this is a really beautiful nude color, perfect for an everyday basis. It literally looks like a version of my lips, but a better sort of a color. But it's a beautiful nude with a hint of pink almost, but very comfortable to wear. This is not a matte lipstick, a drying liquid lipstick. This is a lipstick, but it has a matte finish. You know what I mean? The first one that I showed you was a matte lipstick, but again, that was very comfortable. This is even more comfortable because it's a lipstick. This doesn't stay on your lips for that long because, as I said, it's a lipstick, but you can keep reapplying it. It's really not that big of a deal. As long as the color is beautiful and the price is super cheap, I think you should definitely pick it up. This is for exactly 100 rupees. I have another nude lipstick and it's again by Blue Heaven, but this isn't a lipstick. Did I say it's a lipstick? It's a lip gloss. Now this is in the shade Hazelnut. I think this has to be my favorite out of everything that I'm going to show you today. Such a beautiful color. It's such a shade that you would find in high-end lipsticks. It's a super beautiful nude mauvey sort of a color. And it's a beautiful gloss, very comfortable on your lips. Again, it's a gloss, so it's not gonna stay on your lips throughout the day, but it stays on for a decent amount of time. And this again, same, it retails for 95 rupees locally, but if you buy it on Nykaa, I think it's for 105 rupees. But definitely the most beautiful lip shade out of all of them, when it comes to nudes specifically. Before I share with you my last nude lipstick, let's do a different sort of a color. Now this is by Insight Matte and this is the shade Nude Coffee. I think I've showed this lipstick in my cheapest products from Nykaa video, I believe. It's a beautiful brick sort of a color. I remember wearing these sort of shades back in college. It's a very different color. You don't really see these colors as much. It's a little bit an orangey sort of a nude, but again, it looks so beautiful. Now what I do when I wear this is I apply it all over my lips. It is a matte sort of a finish, but I'll take some talcum powder and dab it on my lips to make it super matte, and I love the way it looks. I think out of all the lipsticks that I've showed you, this one stays on my lips for the longest period, and this, by the way, is for ₹80. And the last lipstick is a nude lipstick, but also it's the cheapest lipstick out of everything that I've showed you. I got this for 18 rupees. Now let me explain, like give you a little bit of a backstory. So this comes in like a set of 12, and Nykaa was having their sale, so I got like the entire set of 12 lipsticks for 220 rupees. So if you divided, one lipstick costs 18 rupees, and even when it's not on discount, like the entire 12 lipstick pack costs 400 rupees, so which comes up to around like 40 rupees, I believe. Yeah, 33 rupees. So yeah, this is like a really cheap sort of a lipstick when it comes to price. Of course, the quality I would say is pretty good. This is by the brand Love Fashion Balm lipstick. This doesn't really have a shade at all. It's like a very basic lipstick, plastic packaging, but what's important is the bullet inside. It's a beautiful nude shade. Again, it's one of those My Lips but better sort of a color. It's very close to the L18 lipstick that I showed you, but it smells like a very typical lipstick. Like, you know, when we were young and like the lipsticks that our moms would use, it smells like that. But anyway, that's not important. Oh, by the way, before I like talk more about this lipstick, do you guys want me to like make a separate review sort of a video about all the 12 lipsticks? Maybe do like a lip swatch. I don't really do reviews ever on my channel, and I don't really do lip swatches either, but this is like such an interesting product. It's like an 18 rupee lipstick, which is crazy to me, and you guys can let me know in the comments down below if you want me to post that video or not. If a lot of you want me to, I will upload it. If not, it's just gonna be one of those videos that never gets uploaded. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and of course found it helpful. Everything that I've mentioned will be linked in the description box below. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and also click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!